इस दुनिया में शायद ही कोई ऐसा इंसान होगा जिसे निराशा पसंद हो. Still, it is very easy to find pessimistic people around giving lot of disappointing talks to us without realizing their pessimism. That's what makes us also pessimistic. Guys, we might never realize when we start becoming one of them. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Akash V Sharma, a life coach and a personality development trainer. ऐसा नहीं है हमने लाइफ में पॉजिटिव वर्क नहीं किए हैं या ऑप्टिमिस्टिक रहने की कोशिश नहीं की है. Many times we have been imposed with disappointing thoughts by the people living in our surrounding. But I must tell you, it's not their fault at all. We human beings are genetically programmed to look at a particular situation with the impression of our belief, to act in a particular situation based on our belief system. How this belief system is formed? This belief system is formed through the experiences we live in our life. This belief system is formed from the opinion we come across in our life. And the mistake we have been doing is we have given total control to the people living in our surrounding to form our belief system. Guys, it's time to take control of your belief system. Let me simplify this with a beautiful example. You know what? Our mind is like a garden. And in the garden, if you don't plant sweet fruits, if you don't plant beautiful flowers, what is going to come up? Weeds. And you know, in this garden of mind, we have forgotten to plant sweet fruits, beautiful flowers. For a long time, we have not planted anything. And everything thatsoever is being planted is planted by the people living in our surrounding. Guys, if we take the control of making the garden of our mind beautiful and full of those beautiful flowers and sweet fruits, how our life is going to be. Here comes optimism management. We don't have to worry about what people have been providing us, because it's not their fault, as I already told you. They are always likely to tell you what they believe in. They are always likely to react to the situation based on the impression of their belief. But guys, we have the control to form our belief system. It's time to start planting good thoughts. Start planting, telling yourself every day that you are a wonderful personality. You are the greatest person ever born on this earth. Why are we always waiting for the people living in our surrounding tell us that we are something worth? Guys, we might not get this opportunity. It's we who has to manage, who has to increase the optimism in our mind. And with this optimism, our life is going to be like a heaven, with full of beautiful flowers, with such an ambience that we ever imagine. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.